Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sammy Ketchum, and welcome back to Sammy Ketchum TCG. Today, we are going to be opening a Trainer's Toolkit, and we have the Marnie Premium Tournament Collection box that we are going to open up today. All right. I just got these products, just bought them. Actually, right now I am at Dead Elf Collectibles here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Is where I actually got these from. Yep, just bought them. But yeah, Dead Elf Collectibles. This is going to be a new shop that is opening up on August the 27th, the same day that releases Evolving Skies. So to go along with the set release, where this store is opening up. So a little shout out to them here. But yeah, they're allowing me to open these up here and showcase them to you. So I'm going to do that for you guys. I think I'm going to start with the Marnie Collection first. Because I'm so excited to open this. This is going to be really highly sought after, really highly allocated, really hard to get because if you didn't know, the full art Marnie that comes in here, wow, look at this. This looks amazing. Look at this deck box. Wow, that looks really cool. But yeah, the full art that comes in here is really sought after, really hard to get because it was supposed to come in Shiny Star V. Yes. This was supposed to come in Shiny Star V. Alright? Not Shiny Star V, but this was supposed to come out in Shining Fates. And we in America didn't get it in Shining Fates. We didn't even get it in Battle Style. So she was coming in her own collection. But yeah, this looks absolutely amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Wow, I like this is such a really great product. You get this deck box, this cool deck box. I like the deck box, but it's very small. You really can't fit. I mean, you could fit a deck in here, but not like a deck with like sleeves, or even double sleeves for that matter. These are the sleeves. All right. Let's see what kind of quality sleeves these are. Okay. Yeah. I mean, these are basically kind of like the same quality sleeves that are on the Elite Trainer boxes right now. So they're decent at best, but you definitely do not want to play in a tournament with just these sleeves. You want to get like over sleeves for them. You want to get like clear over sleeves for them to go over them if you want to actually like play with them. But yeah, yeah, these sleeves look awesome. Let's see, let's open this bad boy. There you go. Gotta be careful opening this. The binding is fragile. Little Harry Potter reference. The binding is fragile. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh man. See. We got the 3 Marnie promos that are signed with her smiling. Oh wow, these look awesome too. Oh wow. Okay. Um, then we have ourselves the packs. All right. A darkness ablaze, a vivid voltage, a battle styles, two battle styles, and then three chilling rain packs. All right. So very, very good packs. At least they're not like old packs like Evolutions or something like that. Honestly, I like modern packs. I like opening modern packs. And the pink dice. Really cool. All right. Let's open these packs. All right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Boom. Let's go. I'm going to kind of go fast through these because level ball, I mean, we've seen most of the cards out of all these sets before. I've done videos and pack openings, you know, for all these sets. Anything that we get out of these sets are like extra, you know, really, really extra, you know. This right here pays for basically the whole box. This pays for the whole box. So anything else you get, 1, 2, 3, 4, is basically is up in the air. All right. I am not. Pulling this right. There we go. Oh, artillery. Ooh, artillery rapid strike. Okay, that's not bad. All right. So far, not really good hits on the packs so far, but the artillery is nice. The artillery is nice. Artillery is nice. I do like the box. Showcase the box a little bit. One, 2, 3, 4. All right. Yeah, this is a very, very nice store. My friend, he really just got started up here. You know, looking to build a great community. Oh my God! Oh, wow! Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Nessa full art. Oh my gosh! Yes, 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 yes. Wow, what a great pull. Man, that is awesome. Let me get some sleeves for this, actually. Hold on. I'm going to use the Marnie sleeves. Just use the Marnie sleeves. All right. All right. So we got Nessa, full art. And we got Marnie. Put Marnie in her own sleeve. Actually, those two. Yeah, actually those two. All right, the other Marnies too. Oh man, it's like Christmas come early, right? Christmas in August. All right, but yeah. Oh man. There we go. All right. Whew. Okay. Well, that was amazing. All right. Let's see what's in this Darkness Ablaze. Wow. That was amazing. 4. All right. Bird Keeper. Snubble, Snubble. Okay. All right. Yes, it is very quiet in here. Oh, man. But yeah, it is all right. It is all right. Now on to the first Chilling Rain pack. All right. Ooh, white code. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, all right. Yep, I am skipping the Gusty Energy today. So, you're not going to worry about that coughing. Ooh. A Path to the Peak. Wow, very nice. And, oh my goodness. Wow, let's go. Let's freaking go. Slow King VMAX. Oh my. Wow, look at that. Wow, Slow King VMAX. Oh my gosh, the Poison package here. Let's go. Oh man. Wow, look at that. Wow, really great hits here. This is just a Marnie box. They haven't even gotten to the Premium Tournament Collection. Oh my goodness. I don't think there's any packs in there, I think. There might be packs in there. Not sure. Oh, white code. Uh-oh. Let me straighten this up real quick. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. See if I can pull this without pulling the rest of them down. The gloves. It's like the gloves are coming off. What's that? Oh, Avery. All right. Oh yeah, Cup Fu. All right, what's that? Oh, Quillfish. Slowbro. Revile. Oh, wow. There we go. Sanaconda V. Oh, wow. Another good hit. Let's go. Man, these packs are fire. Wow. These packs are fire. All right. Last pack from the Chilling Rain from the Marnie Collection box. Oh, white code. We are going to have some last pack magic. 4. All right. Water. Boom. 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 Mareep. This is the good Mareep. Yeah, I was right. The Mareep is in Chilling Rain. So, yep, this is the Mareep that's going to go into the Rayquaza VMAX deck. So, yeah. Boom. Boom. What's this? Zepstrika. And, Rapid Striker Shifu. Still a hollow, but not the hollow we want. All right, let's clear some space here a little bit. Oh, no. Yeah. Okay. Oh. There's some space here for the trainer's toolkit. All right, let's see if I can get a little corner that I can open up here. There we go. That fresh box smell. All right, and we slide it off like so. All right. Oh, let's see what this thing says. Everything you need to build a powerful deck. Turn your card collection into a playable, fun, and winning Pokemon trading card game decks. Inside this box, you'll find a plethora of trainer cards and energy cards, plus a deck builder's guide to put them all together to create a deck that showcases your best Pokemon. You'll find everything you need to help you make the choices in every deck builder faces. More big Pokemon? More strategic trainer cards? How much energy is too much? Steer a course for completely new decks, original combos, and all fun of head-to-head competition with the Pokemon TCG Trainer's Toolkit. How about that, guys? They should hire me to do their commercials. We've got the dice. Oh, wow, I really like this this Trainer Toolkit dice right here, the flipping dice. That looks really cool. All right. Oh, we do have packs in here. Oh, look at this coin. That coin is fire. This poison counter. Yeah, these are the packs. We got 4 packs. Oh, the earn counter there. But 4 packs, yeah, very good. Wow. This is really, got the rule book, little rule book here. Got the Trainer's Toolkit Deck Builder's Guide, which is very, very good. I like the addition of that. Got the sleeves. Oh wow, look at these sleeves. These sleeves are fire. Oh my god, these sleeves look so good. Wow, these sleeves look amazing. All right. Oof. Okay. Code card. I'm not giving away the code card. Big stack of energies, because I play online, so I'm using this stuff. So, you know, and here are these special trainers and cards and stuff. So let's pull that off. I'm going to show you these cards. All right. I also has the 2 Crobats, 2 Crobat Vs. All right. These things look amazing. Oh, let me straighten this up. I'm all messy here. I am all messy here. Let's get sleeves for these babies. The Crobat Vs. I can slide it in there. There we go. All right, get the other one here. Yeah, the Crobat V with the ability Dark Asset is going to be used in every single deck going forward as a supporter Pokemon. So, all right, and then we've got Sabrina and Bryson, which is crap. Air balloons. Cheryl, boss's orders. Escape rope. charms. These are just really, really good trainers and supporter cards that you really need for your decks moving forward. You know, Leons, Marnies, more Marnies, metal saucers. Yeah, this trainer's toolkit is so good with crushing hammers. I definitely need crushing hammers. You know, they're staples in like a lot of decks. The telescopic sights, researches, click balls. Like, this is just great. Just a great product. Bruno's. I know it's messy right now. Switches. Scoop up nets. Oh my gosh, scoop up nets. Like, I think this will put me at a play set. I'm not sure, but I don't have many scoop up nets because when the set came out was in the pandemic. So getting cards is basically like, you know, real life cards is basically hard. So I'm really glad to have them. The metal special energies, single strike energies, rapid strike energies, turbo patches, Karina's focus, capture energies. Yes, I am so looking forward to capture energies. Like, I needed these so bad. And I was talking about these in my video that I needed to get more capture energies. And they came in the trainer's toolkit. I'm so glad I bought this. And me and Miss Macias. But yeah, those are all the special trainers, supporters, and stuff we get in the trainer's toolkit. All right. All right. And now the packs. Sword and Shield. For rotation, the sets that we're going to be having is going to be Sword and Shield on for the rotation. And it's just going to happen September 10th. So yeah. I am preparing for that. Another big charm. Very nice. Which is Bicycle, Rotom Bike. Another metal saucer. So we've got a play set of those. Zigzagoon, very good. Bench damage. Wow, this pack is really good. Despite being a green code. Has great little essentials in here. Okay. All right. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Fire. Grass energy. Roma grass. Ah. Dynamo. Sorry, Dynamo, you're not the Dynamotor anymore. Like and rock, how strong as I can be, like and rock. Oh, yeah. Ooh, 2 Chilling Rain, let's go. All right, so far, no hits out of these packs. Ooh, 3 for 3, but that's all right. The trainer's toolkit basically pays for itself with all the great trainers that we get inside of it. I am not having the greatest time here with pulling these. Okay. Obama Snow. All right, last pack. The last pack of the day. Can we get some last pack magic? Oh my gosh. Last pack magic. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Fire energy. All right. Boom, 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 whatever this is. Boom, boom, boom. That. Survivor. Yes, I really love this Survivor. I'm so glad I pulled this Survivor. But let's see what this last card is. And Thunder is. I'm really happy for the Survivor though. Survivor, the single strike Survivor is really good. It could one-shot Shadow Rider Calyrex VMAX. Yep. Yep. Has a deck of its own. You know, so very, very good packs. All right. Oh, and the Marnie coin. I forgot to show off the Marnie coin. All right. Well, guys, that is the video. Hope you guys have enjoyed our time here. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Also, when this place opens up, hope you guys check out Dead Elf Gaming. All right? And until next time, mischief managed.